guys, thanks for tuning in again, and I am back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a drugstore makeup tutorial. Pretty much I'm going to be using NYX, Smashbox, Airspun, all kinds of stuff from the drugstore, and I hope you guys like this video. I do want to let you know I do apologize for not posting a video throughout the week. Grandma passed away, my nana, the one that was on my other video for the family Christmas video, and it's been pretty hard dealing with that, but I'm gonna keep going and I'm gonna do it for her because she's very proud of me for doing these things. So I gotta continue. So thank you again for tuning in, and let's get to it. I used my NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it. I've already used that to do my brows, and to clean around I actually use my LA Girl ProConcealer in the color Cool Tan. I'm also going to link that in the description box below, and then I also use my NYX concealer Can't Stop, Won't Stop in the color True Beige. And I'm going to use my LA Girl ProConcealer again to prime it. Take my Airspun, and I'm using a naturally neutral shade, if you can see that. I'm going to use my NYX or NYX Ultimate palette. Yeah. It hit me like a tidal wave. Knew that I was in love with you right away. Yeah, turned all my days into brighter days. Even when people say what we do is not okay. According to what other people say. Who cares what other people say? Yeah, fuck what other people say. I'ma ride for you, baby, if you gon' ride for me. Yeah, 'cause I know. Yes, I know that what we have is oh so real, and oh, I feel so confident in all you say. When you say you'll never leave, please never leave me, I believe you. Yes, I do. Most of all, I am thankful. You are just what I pray for. You are what I was made for. Yes, I'm for sure. Most of all, I just want to mean the most to you. Most of all, baby, I'm just trying to grow with you. I just want to grow with you. 'Cause you bring so much hope to the picture. Some of us still find the want to fall in love and offer the fucking face of the earth when some of us do deserve it. A love that's true and perfect. Some of us been through it all before. Some of us do still come back for more. So using this flat looking brush, go in with this gold right here and put it in like the corners of my eyes. That I'm going to be using is by Kiss Lash, and they kind of resemble the classic eye extensions. I will moisturize my face before I do all of this stuff, but I just didn't, and I don't know why. I don't know what happened. So that way my face won't be super dry. You all know I have dry skin, and I don't like that. So yeah, what I just put on my face is my Ultra, what what is it called? Ultra Repair Cream, I'm sorry. Ultra Repair Cream, and it just helps my face stay moisturized. So I moisturize my face, and I'm going to use my Smashbox Radiant. I don't know why the light looks like this today. I'm just gonna apply it to the places where I usually highlight, but then I'm also using this as a primer. So it's supposed to make your foundation like a lot more glowy looking. Next, CantStop, WontStop full coverage foundation, and I am in the color Caramel or Camel. I'm in the color Camel. Tell me this is a misspelling, because what the fuck? I thought it said caramel, and now that I'm looking at it, it say camel. It say camel. And can y'all see this? It says camel. It says camel. I don't know what y'all doing in NYX. That's kind of weird. I ain't never seen nothing like that. This is in the color Camel. C-A-M-E-L. My lip is already little. It's already little at the top. Why does foundation have to make your lip look like that? Use my NYX or NYX, whatever we're gonna call it, and it is in the color True Beige, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. I never use this either. I am actually going to use my LA Girl contour stick to contour my face. I'm gonna set it with my WetNWild Mega Glow contouring palette. It's messed up. I know, don't come for me. Like this color, again, I'm gonna get finished. I'm gonna put it in the rest of my crease right here. So now for my lips, I'm gonna use my NYX or NYX Lingerie NYX lip liner in the color Nude Truffle. After I'm all finished, I'm going to use my NYX matte finish spray, and I'm going to spray it all over my face like this. It really sets everything. Like, I've never seen a freaking setting spray that sets your face like this. Like, it is so freaking pretty. And so, yeah, I think I want to add some highlight. Let me add some highlight. Let me put some glow on this. My WetNWild Illuminating palette. And guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you comment in the comment section. I don't know. I'm lost for words right now. But thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.